Android Pentest Lab Setup. In this module, we will teach you how to install various tools in Windows operating systems used for penetration testing against vulnerable Android applications. The tool we will be discussing henceforth are Genymotion. It helps to emulate the Android devices, which can help test various applications. Android Studio, it can help to emulate Android devices with various pre-packaged tools that can assist during pen testing. MobSF, it's an open source framework used for malware analysis, application pen testing, and security testing for Android. APK tool, it helps in decompiling and reverse engineering Android applications. Frida, it is used for dynamic testing of Android devices. Browser, it provides security features that can help during Android penetration testing. Jadex is an open source tool used for reverse engineering Android APK files. Burp Suite is a popular pen testing tool to test the security of web applications.